Today I'm going to show you my bag for labor and birth. So right now I am at 38 weeks and 6 days. So we'll have the one small luggage bag. We're gonna put my stuff, Angelo's stuff, and baby stuff in here. Also, we're gonna bring a cooler bag, this one, like a medium-sized one, and the car seat. So let me show you what I already packed in my labor and birth bag. Okay, so what's inside? First, let's check my labor and birth stuff. I put it in separate Ziploc bags. So this is mine. So I brought some sarong. So if the labor unit have medicine ball, I'll put this on top of it so I can sit on it just for sanitary purposes. And then a nursing bra. And I don't know if this will be provided in the hospital, but I just brought like the disposable underwear. I decided just to bring one duster, when you call it in the Philippines. It's like this blue gown. So it'll be easy. You can use it for breastfeeding as well. There's some snaps here you can remove. Yeah. Okay, let me just put this in. Okay. And then another small zippy. I put a scrunchie, a hair tie, and lip balm, and my charger, phone charger. So it's right there. That's for the labor unit. And then Angelo have this scratch thingy and massage ball. So it's just in case if I'll have a back labor or back pain, you can use this to alleviate the pain on my back, right there, like that. So I'm just gonna bring this one. Another Ziploc bag for portable chargers, 2 power banks, one charger for the GoPro battery charger, and the earbuds. Back. This one is for baby. Yep. So just in case, I brought extra not napkins. I brought him extra diapers, but I believe they're gonna provide it here. And then once baby is out, this would be his first outfit. Pants, onesie, hat, socks and mittens. But just in case, I'm just gonna bring one swaddle blanket for baby. Next is my toiletry bag. So basically, all the hygiene stuff are in here. Yeah, Angelo's and my toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, shampoo, and conditioner, small soaps, liquid soaps, and facial cleanser and moisturizer, lotion, and Band-Aid, Q-tips. Yeah, just the basic things in the toiletries. So yeah. So all of those are in this one area where we can just easily grab it in the labor unit, because that's where we'll be first. So on this side here, the close one would be for the postpartum area. So what's in here? So I pack here Angela's stuff. So it's also in a separate zippy bags. So we don't know if I'll have an emergency C-section, because it might take us 2 days to stay there if I'll have a C-section. So what's in his zippy bag? Just shorts and two tops, and what else? Socks, yeah, and extra underwear. That's for his stuff here. And then my postpartum stuff. So I brought disposable nursing pads, and then maternity incontinent pads as well, and then extra disposable underwears, socks, and just my go home top and pants. So I'm still wearing my maternity t-shirt and pants. And then for baby, this little bag here. So I brought little wipes, and then a pacifier. I don't know if he'll need this, but since it's really cute, this was given to me by my coworker, and I just really love the pacifier container. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put it here. And a swaddle. This one. And then his go home outfit would be my theme would be elephant. So this one, with a hat and an elephant, socks, and his mittens. A small towel for me and Angela. So that's it in my labor and birth bag. Let's go to the cooler bag. So here's the cooler bag. What's inside? So just brought this coffee tumbler, just in case we're gonna stay there for 48 hours. And then my water bottle with straw. And then breast pump, just in case. And then a snack bag with microwavable oatmeal and some tea for Angelo, and candies first. Also extra plastic bags. And then I have this Colostrum collection container and syringe, but I haven't used it. I'm still trying to hand express. And then some snacks. So I don't know if this is too much and if we can eat this, because since this is my first time or our first baby, so I'm like, just pack everything that can, you know, since it's COVID, so probably the cafeteria is closed and we don't want to use any vending machine, just for safety. So I'm just like, I put some nuts, coated almonds, chocolate almonds, crackers, and granola bar. Yeah. And then if I'll have my colostrum by then, I'm gonna bring some ice pack and just put it in here. Yeah. So our car seats already installed in the car. So what I have here, I put 2 blankets for him and our slippers, like waterproof slippers for Angelo and I, just in case we're going to use the shower in the labor room. The traveling pillow for Angelo to use in the postpartum unit. Also, we're bringing the GoPro, just a GoPro and our phone for filming, but we still have to ask for permission with the staff if we can film. Yeah. So before I pack all of these stuff, I made sure to make a list first, and I based also in the book that Alberta Health Services provided. I hope we'll be able to use all of this, what's in here, and it would be all the necessary things that we need. And also IDs. We also have our IDs. Well, it's in our wallet. And what else? Health card, insurance card. Yeah, and most especially, I have to bring myself and baby. So everything will be ready for birth and delivery. So that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe that channel right there, Angela Cat Can. Yes. So I'll see you on the next one. Be well. Peace.